curious friends, welcome back. I am Saurav, and today's quiz is based on 30 general science questions that we all should know about science and nature. So you are going to learn something new about our amazing world. Let's begin. What's short for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation? Laser. How many colors can be seen when white light is separated? A white light is dispersed into 7 colors. What do you call the moment something goes faster than the speed of sound? A sonic boom is created when an object starts moving at the speed of sound. Do metals expand or contract when they are cooled? Metals contract when cooled. Which organ in the body produces the fluid known as bile? The liver produces bile in our body. What type of sugar does the brain need for energy? Glucose is used by brain for energy. How long does the sun's light take to reach the Earth? It takes 8 minutes 19 seconds for the light to travel from the sun to the Earth. What do you call a material that does not conduct electricity? Insulators do not conduct electricity. Which trees use pine cones to hold their seeds? Conifers use pine cones to hold their seeds. What do you call animals that are active at night? Nocturnal animals are active at night. What is the only metal that is a liquid at room temperature? Mercury is the only metal in liquid state at room temperature. What is the name of the process where iron is coated with zinc? Galvanization is the process where iron is coated with zinc. What does this sign mean? It warns you of radioactive material nearby. If you get scurvy, what vitamin are you deficient in? Deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. What materials are used to make a pencil? Graphite is wrapped with wood to create pencil. Which is the largest internal organ in the human body? Liver is the largest internal organ. In computer science, what does USB stand for? USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. Which oath of ethics, taken by doctors, is named after an ancient Greek physician? The Hippocratic Oath. Which famous British physicist wrote A Brief History of Time? Brief History of Time is a book on theoretical cosmology by English physicist Stephen Hawking. What do you use to treat bacterial infections? Antibiotics is used to treat bacterial infections. The concept of gravity was discovered by which famous scientist? Isaac Newton discovered gravity. How many bones are there in the human body? There are 206 bones in human body. Which is the main gas that makes up Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen is the most prominent gas in atmosphere. Which frozen gas forms dry ice? Carbon dioxide in frozen form is called dry ice. What disease can you get from ticks? Ticks can give you Lyme disease. What is the biggest planet in our solar system? Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. What do you call someone who studies dinosaurs? Paleontologists study dinosaurs. True or false, sound travels faster in water than in air. True, sound travels faster in water. Humans and chimpanzees share roughly how much DNA? About 98% of DNA is similar between humans and chimpanzees. What do the internal angles of a square add up to? All internal angles in a square add up to 360 degrees. That's all for today. Learning is a continuous process. Playing quizzes makes you smarter. Please comment your score and feedback for us to improve and create more learning content like this. Please like, share and subscribe.
Hope you liked our video. Please like, share and subscribe so that you do not miss out on latest updates.
Let's picnic.